Now in this question we are given a piece of metal. A piece of metal is given whose atomic weight is 60 units, or in gram atomic mass it is 60 gram, and the area of cross section is given as 10 to power minus 6 square meter, and length of the piece is given as 1 meter, and the density of the material is given as 5 into 10 to power 3 kg per cubic meter. So this is the information that is given to us, and we have to find, for the first part we have to find the number of electrons per unit volume if every atom of the metal gives one free electron. So the number of electrons per unit volume we have to find if every atom in the metal gives one free electron. And the second part of the question is to find the drift velocity of electrons when current passed through the metal piece is 16 amperes. So this is what is given to us. We are given a metal piece whose atomic weight is 60 grams, area of cross section is 10 to power minus 6 square meter, length is 1 meter, and the density of the metal is this. Now first we have to find the mass of the metal. Now we know that the density equals to mass upon volume. So mass equals to volume into density. So mass of the metal piece m equals to volume into density of density is rho, and the volume will be A into L. So if we substitute the values, then the mass of the metal piece is 5 into 10 to power 3 10 to power minus 3 kg. The number of electrons, since each atom is donating one free electron, so the number of first we can find the number of atoms, how many atoms are there in this much mass. So number of atoms will be equal to n, which is given by mass of the piece divided by the atomic mass. So atomic mass is 60 grams, so it will be 60 into 10 to power minus 3 kg multiplied by Avogadro number to find the number of particles. So if we solve this, then the number of atoms will be equal to 5.02 into 10 to power 22 per cubic meter for unit volume, because we have to find the number of electrons per unit volume. So since each atom is donating one free electron and there are this much atoms, so the number of this will also be equal to the number of free electrons. So the number of free electrons is this. Now we have to find the number of free electrons per unit volume. It will per unit volume we have to find. So it will be let us denote this with n. So it will be 5.02 into 10 to power 22 upon the volume. So volume is the area of cross section A into length, which is 1. So this will approximately be equal to 5 into 10 to power 28. We will round off the decimals because the number of electrons cannot be in decimals or in fraction. So it will be approximately equal to 5 into 10 to power 28 electrons per cubic meter. Now we have to, this is the answer to the first part. For second part, we have to find the drift velocity if the current is 16 amperes. So we have the relation Vd equals to I upon NEA. So we can directly put the values. I is 16 amperes, and N is 5 into 10 to power 28, we just calculated, multiplied by the charge, which is 1.6 into 10 to power minus 19, multiplied by the area of cross section, which is 10 to power minus 6. Now if we solve this, then VD will come equal to 2 into 10 to power minus 3 meter per second, and this will be the answer to your second part.